Hello guys, I am Nidhi Bagalwadi, your science teacher, Sankalp Learning Solution. So in the last class, we discussed first type of chemical reaction, which is combination reaction. So in combination reaction, two or more reactants react or combine to give only one single product. Okay, that is called combination reaction. We studied 4 or 5 examples. So let me consider the same reaction and let us learn other two types of reaction which are related to combination reaction. Okay, so let me consider a common reaction that is calcium oxide, which is called quicklime. Okay, quicklime we know we will use, some of us will use at our home. Like on the betel leaf, we use that calcium oxide, the white color, sunna it is called. Okay, it is called calcium oxide or it is called as quicklime in chemistry. When calcium oxide is dissolved in water, we will get calcium hydroxide, which is quicklime. So that solution is called as quicklime. So once you do the same activity at your home, you can see that when you dissolve calcium oxide, a tiny some pinch of calcium oxide in the water and stir it, after some time you just hold that glass, you can feel warm, you can feel the glass got heated. So along with the formation of calcium hydroxide, the heat is formed or the heat is liberated or released. Okay, so this is one kind of a reaction. So let us balance H2, O2 is there, calcium, O2. Okay, it is already balanced. This is a type, and next we learn regarding the B type reaction. The related compound of calcium, that is calcium carbonate, which we will call it as limestone. Calcium carbonate, which we will call in the common words, it is called as calcium carbonate. So when it is heated, when this calcium carbonate is heated, we will get calcium oxide. We will get calcium oxide along with the liberation of carbon dioxide. Along with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So when you observe both the reaction, O3, O3, okay. When you observe both the reaction, guys, you can see that in one reaction, heat is liberated or released as a product, as one of the byproduct we can say. In one reaction, you can see heat is absorbed and then the reaction proceeded further. And then the reaction moved on further. In both the type of reaction, one is heat is liberated, the other is heat is absorbed. The reaction in which heat is liberated out, so such reactions are called as exothermic reactions. Exo means what here? Out. Exo means out. Okay. Exo means out. Then thermic means heat. So when heat is liberated in the reaction, such reactions are called exothermic reactions. And the reactions in which heat is absorbed so that the reaction will proceed, such reactions are called as endothermic reaction. Endo means in. Okay, taking in heat is called as endothermic reaction. Okay, these are the main two simple reactions, exothermic and endothermic. So these might be a combination reaction, these might be the other type of reactions also, but only the term is when heat is absorbed, when heat is released. Okay, so these are two simplest type of reaction. Similarly, we will consider few examples, like let us consider a reaction like iron sulfate, it will be green in color, which we will take in a solid form. The original color of that powder will be green in color. When you heat that iron sulfate, okay, in a test tube, okay, or in a boiling tube, okay, we should take it, okay, then we have to hold it with the tongs, with, okay, then after that when you just heat it, so we will get the products like ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Okay, this will be in solid. Ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Similarly, we will consider one more reaction of it. So this only calcium carbonate, when you heat calcium carbonate, when you heat it, so you will get calcium oxide plus water. Similarly, when you heat or take lead nitrate, okay, lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice is a lead nitrate. When you heat lead nitrate, okay, so we will get the products like lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. So let us balance it. N2, N is only 1 here, O is 6 here. So when I want to make, see here, 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So I want to make this as 2 means I will write 2 here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6, 6 1 7 happen. So here 3 2s are 6 is there. So what I will do, I will write 2 here. 2O, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. So if I write 2 here, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 2 PB, 2 PB, 2N, 2N. So it is already balanced equation. So when you observe these example, in these example you can see in all the example there is one reactant. Okay, there is one reactant and which gives 2 or more products. 2 or more products. Let us consider it in a simple way. Let us consider A, B, C alphabets. Okay. So here A is there. A is there which converts or breaks into B plus C. By absorbing what? By absorbing energy. The energy might be in the form of heat. It might be in the form of electricity, or it might be in the form of sunlight. The energy may be in the form of anything. So here one reactant, after absorbing a certain or a particular form of energy, it is converting into 2 or more products. It is breaking down into 2 or more products. Such reaction in which one reactant, after absorbing a energy, heat, electricity or a sunlight, gives 2 or more products, such reactions are called as, so the main second type of reaction we have decomposition. D means what? Breakdown. Composition means what it is made up of. So breakdown of the composition, the original composition of a reactant is called as decomposition reaction. So this decomposition reaction has 3 types in it. How it 3 types? It is based on which amount, or sorry, which form of energy it is absorbed. If it absorbed heat energy, it is called thermal decomposition. If it absorbs sunlight, it is called photochemical decomposition. If it absorbs electricity, it is called electrolysis. So let us study the types of decomposition reaction by visualizing certain experimental videos in the next session. Until that, take care. Have a nice day.